Hey, art teachers. Are you stuck figuring out what to say or do during Meet the Teacher, back to school, or open house night? We only have moments with parents, if at all. Getting across all the pertinent information about guidelines and procedures, as well as advocating for parental support and donations, is essential. So how can we do all that quickly and easily? Well, I have a solution for you. I've created this editable Meet the Art Teacher brochure, handout, and PowerPoint slideshow to help. Let me show you how it works. Each template is easily customizable. Simply tap into the text box and type. The header labels for each section can be swapped out from a bank of other ones. And the icons, photo corners, and image placeholder graphics are all movable. All other graphics are not. And of course, you can add your own photo to the layout. Lastly, consider adding a QR code with a link to your wish list on any marketplace platform. You're likely to get more donations that way. You'll see the trifold brochure template has 3 panels. After you print, it can be folded easily so the mannequin is on the cover and the important dates section is on the back. And to make your life easier, I've also included a PowerPoint slideshow that includes slides for your introduction, autobiography, student artwork, as well as a blank slide to create what you'd like. You can add in pictures of past student artwork to show off your art program. It'll get kids excited about what's in store for them this year.